What do you see here? Does it look complicated or simple? If you were going to tell someone how to create this, how would you explain what to do? What would the directions be? When this work of art was created in 2013, 8 people took the directions of Sol LeWitt, the artist, and spent 2 months creating wall drawing number 559 on the east wall of the Alphon Lunder Pavilion of the museum. And the result is a highly visible work of art with its waving lines and bright, beautiful colors, warmly welcoming everyone to the museum. One of the things I like best about Sol LeWitt is that he makes me question who we call artists. Sol LeWitt is often called a conceptual artist, where the idea or concept of a work of art is just as important, if not more so, than the finished object. I've asked this question many times to groups of students and young children. Do we think of him as the artist, even though he did not physically create this work of art? 99% of the time, the answer is yes. They seem to understand what Sol LeWitt was trying to do, best expressed in his own words. The idea itself, even if not made visual, is as much a work of art as any finished product. All intervening steps, scribbles, sketches, drawings, failed works, models, studies, thoughts, conversations are of interest. Those that show the thought process of the artist are sometimes more interesting than the final product.